1904, I was headed for the Cumberland Gap when a hard summer rain brought death to my train. Colorado come to wash me out. And the head engineer said, here and here clear, better hang on and hold your cab. And before I could jump, those mighty rails sunk and the whole damn bridge collapsed. Well, oh my, I'm a train in the sky. Sweet Lord, let me feel no fear. And before I go down, please tell Barbara Brown, well, I love you, my darling. The children were crying, all the luggage went flying. There was coal rolling everywhere, and there were lovers in the aisle, knotted up in a pile, going hard despite our deep despair. And as we tumbled away to that still water grave, there was sorrow amongst the air. While the Bible was read, well, I bowed down my head and I prayed out my final prayer. Well, oh my, I'm a train in the sky. Sweet Lord, let me feel no fear. And before I go down, please tell Barbara Brown, well, I love you, my darling, my dear. My chest, and we all held our breath, 'cause we was getting down to the end. And while that cold water brewed, the train whistle blew, and it sounded like a howling wind. And from the corner of my eye, I saw an angel disguised as a man with a violin. And he sang us a song that didn't last very long, so we asked him to sing it again.